Alright, what's up everyone? So welcome back to another video. So today we are going to take you guys around Chiang Mai to look for some of Thailand's most exotic fruits here. This video is basically going to be like a taste test. Some of these fruits we've never tried before, so we're gonna go ahead and look for some of these fruits, take it back to the condo. It's gonna be fun. So let's hop on this bike and let's go, baby.
For that size?
Yeah.
Avocado? That one or the next one? 180. Yeah. Say yes.
Okay. This has got to be one of the most expensive fruit here in Thailand. So it's either you love it or you hate it.
Kapunka.
We got our very first durian. Can't really smell it, but we'll see how it is later. It says bananas, oranges.
What's that?
I don't see much.
Okay, we'll just slowly drive through, I guess.
Nah, I ain't trying to just grab
Huh?
it.
Why not? For the video.
No, too much traffic, dude.
For the video. We can make a right turn at that one street.
No.
Yeah, heck of papaya.
So we made it to our next stop. This is a market called Warora Market or Kowloon. It's also like Chiang Mai's Chinatown. So this place usually has a lot of different types of fruits, but it's a little bit more on the pricier side because it's in Chinatown area. It's more expensive, but there's also like a little market just down there where we just went to. It's a little bit cheaper, but it doesn't have a lot of variety of fruits like this place over here.
Yeah. That's a lot for 20. Kapunka. Hey, I think that girl's mom.
Yeah.
Cho nó như chị chưa?
Cho nên chili đôi.
Oh, it looks different.
Mình nhà tiểu mình trồng gì?
Americano. Pinya California. California.
Cha nó mới được có luôn.
Ở bên nó có hay nước mắm thảo phong à? What is that? We had it one time. Really? Just get one. Just get one. Let me smell. It smells like stinky socks. Rotten socks.
These are called snake fruit for some reason. Maybe because the head looks like snake. I mean, that's what it says on Google when I searched it up. It has a little stench to it, so let's see. Alright, we made it to our next stop, which is Big C Supermarket. We're going to go check out the grocery area to see what kind of fruits they have, to see if we're missing anything. If not, we're just going to head to the condo and test out these fruits.
Oh my god, orange watermelon.
Orange?
Is it yellow? Tastes orange to me. Just get a small one. Yeah. I wonder how it tastes like. Okay, so I thought about a very crazy idea, but I want to blindfold Pork, and he's not a fruit person, so I thought this.
I am.
No,
And it really depends on what type of fruit. But I guess we're gonna do a blind test. So I'm gonna feel. I'm gonna try to guess what the fruit is.
And smell too.
And smell. Hopefully I don't throw up on some of them because some of them does smell like stinky feet.
You want to know what smells really good? The durian.
We'll see.
It smells pretty good. But
let's get this
hey,
going.
I'll just tell you right now. I'm gonna save that one for you for last.
No, it doesn't.
Durian.
Just surprise me. Just surprise me.
I'm gonna save him.
Just surprise me. Let's go.
This, you got this.
Remember, don't bring me the nasty one first, or the smelly one.
Okay, this one. You need a spoon.
Okay, obviously I know this one, dragon fruit.
That's why I told you not to touch it. Does smell good.
I mean, honestly, it has like a bland smell, or it doesn't smell like anything.
Eat it, eat it.
I can't really describe this to the dragon fruit taste.
You got a sweet one.
I don't know. Well, I guess I chose a good one then.
Yeah. Pork. Just
Okay.
me.
These seeds are like super crunchy, just like sesame seed. It's yeah, you could say it's somewhat sweet, but usually when we buy dragon fruit, it's kind of bland. It doesn't really taste like anything. But this one, yeah, it's got a little sweetness and a little bit like a sourness to it. But I guess you could say this one's it's a good dragon fruit.
Here, you could touch it before I give you the one that I already cut. You could touch it. I don't think this is lamia.
So these are like the more like orangish one, right? I don't know what it's called. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything too. Woo! It's got a little like sour kick to it. Yeah, I can't really taste much besides just like sour. Kind of reminds me of passion fruit. Like passion fruit and lemon together. Honestly, yeah, I don't know. It just looks like garlic. It's like a garlic fruit. I feel like there's just so much meat stuck on that seed that the only part of the fruit that you're eating is just the skin. I feel like I already have so much flavor in my mouth. Okay.
I already have one open.
This is the rambutan. This is kind of like the lychee family. This looks like something white with like a big old seed in there. That's a lot sweeter than the previous one. It's not that bad, but honestly, I don't know why people love this so much too.
That's so good.
It's okay. It's not that bad. I feel like this one's really, it's not too sweet and it's a little bit on the bland side, or it might just be the one that I got. Let me try another one. The outer shell is like really hard. Like that.
Take off your blindfold.
That was a big one.
You're supposed to, no, you're not supposed to eat it like that. You're supposed to break it apart.
This one I got was a little bit more sweeter. And it's really juicy.
Over here.
It's a mango. Mango is always good over here in Thailand. I don't know why. It's just so sweet. Mango is one of those fruits in Thailand that you must eat whenever you're over here. It's always delicious, juicy. All the juice. Satisfying. Can't really smell much.
It smells bad.
Yeah, it does have a little like weird smell to it.
It smells like
Ooh, it smells like feet too.
it
Like the more you smell it, or the more you put it like near your nose, it does kind of smell like stinky socks, you know, after a long day.
Yeah, my mom's favorite fruit right here.
Ugh.
Oh, you have to guess what it is.
Was it papaya?
Yeah.
I don't. Yeah, I never had papaya like
Yeah, like that.
this. You better have a trash can ready for me.
I'm just telling.
Oh. Oh, that's something I wouldn't want to eat again. But I'm just gonna try it again. It's really watery. I'm not sure if that's how it's supposed to be, but it's not too much of a sweetness fruit. It just kind of reminds me of cantaloupe, which I'm not really a big fan of cantaloupe as well. And honestly, I don't really know how to describe this. It's just, the smell is bad. It's not too bad, but right when you put it on the tip of your nose, you can really like smell the strong odor. Yeah. I wouldn't get that again. Bring on the next one. It doesn't have a smell. By the feel of it, I'm guessing it's that red apple. Red apple pear or something like that. You like it?
We never really
Okay,
had
let me
it.
try it again. Not really a big fan. Kind of reminds me of apple, but not really as well. It's really, really watery. Yeah, it kind of has a bland taste to it.
I like it.
I can't really taste no flavor on this fruit. It's kind of plain. No?
Shit, dude.
Nah. You brought this whole thing?
Why not?
Okay, it's lychee. I know.
Okay, here. I already have it for you.
Can't really smell much. Let's take a bite. So much better than that rambutan one. It's really sweet, just like those lychee candy, lychee jelly. Let's try another one. It looks similar to the rambutan, but this one doesn't have like all those long stems coming out from it. The outer shell is somewhat spiky, so you gotta be a little bit careful on that. I'm not sure which one's supposed to be good, like the one that's super pink or the one that's brownish. So this is the lychee, this is the rambutan.
One bite.
Lychee. This one's a little bland. It's a little bit more like tougher to eat the rambutan one. It's very nice to try, you know, different fruits here in Thailand.
Great.
Yeah. Okay, this one's one of the pre-cut ones. I think it might be cantaloupe. The texture's hard. It kind of reminds me of like a cucumber. It's okay. This one's actually okay. Because usually when I eat the cantaloupe, it's like really like soft and super juicy, super sweet. It doesn't look like it's fully ripe yet. There's still like a lot of outer white parts, so maybe that's where like most of the flavors are gone. You can see like the orange part in the middle. I think that's mainly where the flavors are at. It's okay. It's not too bad. Oh! Don't tell me that was next.
Okay, you could touch, but these are not rinsed.
Okay, these are the cherries. Oh, it's so hard. I feel like I can't even bite into it. Woo! So sour. Kind of tastes like plum.
This is not cherry.
These are probably like the small versions of plum. It's really tough, really sour.
Those are not rinsed.
Yeah. Blech. This one's jackfruit. This has to be the plum one. It's really sweet. It's okay. It's not that bad. Okay, this is the plum. I have a feeling it's gonna be sour too. Only the skin is sour. The inside of the fruit is plain. It doesn't really have too much flavor. the flavor comes from the skin. Because once you bite onto that skin, whoo, it's sour. Okay, it's that yellow watermelon. Is it?
Yes, sir. Open the blindfold.
Yes. 1, 2, 3. That's really sweet. That's good watermelon.
Tastes better than the watermelon I had yesterday.
It's yellow, but it's exactly like a watermelon. Give it a shot whenever you guys are here in Thailand. It's called the mangosteen. Try the majority of the fruits here.
We never had this before. How about this one looks like garlic too?
They all look like garlic, huh? All these fruit.
They all have like the same texture too.
Like the outer shell is just really thick. And once you get into it, it just looks like a whole bunch of garlic that's in there.
This is my favorite fruit now, forever.
Does it have seed?
Don't know how to compare it with another fruit because I've never had anything like this before. The texture is similar to that one we had, but the flavor is just so different.
It's super soft and sweet. That's pretty good. I would give it a 8.5. Your favorite?
I don't know if it's my favorite, but it's my favorite ice cream.
Durian.
You can see
Oh my gosh. This is actually gonna be my first time eating a durian. Like, I know a lot of people, they hate it because of the really strong smell. So hopefully this is good. A lot of people love it because it's really, really sweet. If you can get past the smell, then it's actually like a really great fruit. Yeah. This is actually like one of the most expensive fruit that we've ever bought here in Thailand. I think this whole durian fruit cost us 10 bucks. So that was like close to 400 baht. It's really, really soft.
Can I feed you? Can I feed you?
No.
Smell it, smell it.
I mean, it's okay. Like, I smelled worse like durian. So let's just try it.
This is
I'm just gonna eat it without breathing.
This one, no.
I'm gonna eat it without breathing, so that way I can go past it.
Try this one. I already got
Why this one?
Because. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh.
Doesn't taste like the ice cream.
Tastes like really fattening. Once you take a bite of that durian, it just kind of like melts, literally melts in your mouth. And it just has like a little weird like smell or aroma in your mouth.
My tongue felt numb when I ate it, and then like I could just smell the durian through my mouth going out my nose.
Yeah.
That
like,
was weird.
I can't even explain what the smell is. Okay, I'm gonna give it another shot. I'm just gonna.
It's kind of weird now.
Move. I think this fruit is really rewarding if you can go past the smell, but I mean the smell's not too bad, but once it's in your mouth, it has like a weird texture, a weird gooiness, and then now your mouth, and now you have bad breath.
I don't have bad breath. I don't know if I like it or not. It's different.
I mean, you don't know if you like it or not.
But the smell doesn't smell bad to me.
It's not bad. Okay, I'm gonna give it another shot.
I might like it. I might like it.
Ugh.
I think I like it.
Nope.
I'm just trying to like take in all of this texture in my mouth.
I don't know why people love durian.
Tastes pretty good.
I mean, I think we probably got a good one, but I don't think durian is my thing.
But you're gonna eat it, right? So we don't waste it.
No, I'm gonna toss it out.
I don't know if I like it or not. It tastes pretty good.
If it tastes pretty good, then that means you like it. You don't think? Have bad breath.
It's bad breath to you. Excuse me.
Can't get that stitch out of my mouth from durian. I can already smell it. I can already smell it. Oh my gosh.
Here you go.
Okay, I'm just gonna lift it.
No. You have to smell it when it's open.
When it's open?
It smells worse.
It's open?
Yeah.
It doesn't smell like feet now.
I know, it smells like Thanksgiving.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna open them blindfold. So these are called, I think snake fruit. It's really spiky on the outside, so you gotta be careful with that too. It kind of looks like a strawberry for some reason, but it's not a strawberry, it's an outer shell. And it's got a strong stench to it. Like, some of them reminds you of stinky feet or stinky socks. Just picture that after a long day of wearing your socks, you take it off, you smell it. It smells like that. It's not too pleasant. So let's see how this tastes like. I'm trying the smaller one. You're eating that with me. You're eating that with me. Okay. You ready to take a big bite?
Cheers.
Big bite. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I swallowed it, but it's really sour.
Try again.
The moment when you take a bite into in this fruit, all those juices just comes like flowing through your mouth. Really sour, really bitter. It's a weird texture, a weird smell too. I don't know if I want to take another bite.
Take another bite. Take another bite.
Nope. Ooh, I gotta go to my mouth. Too bitter, too sour, and really nasty. Smells like feet. All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys liked it. This is like our first time trying all these different types of fruit. Not used to it. Maybe we just need to keep trying it. I would say I think we spent a lot of money on just fruits, just trying it out. Maybe it's because we're not really buying like fruits at the street vendor where they just sell like a small portion for 20 baht. We ended up buying like small bundles to try. I mean, I would say it was still kind of somewhat cheap on some of those fruits when we bought it in bundle compared to if you were to buy at the street vendor.
But it all adds up, huh?
Yeah, but they all add up. But I think we spent probably like at least 20 bucks or.
That's it.
Yeah, I think 20 bucks for those fruits, which is still not too bad if you were to.
Durian.
If you were to be buying all this in the state, it would have cost you so much money. But over here, I would say $20 is a lot if you are like trying to be on a budget. But other than that, I think it was a great experience to try to try out different fruits, discover new fruits that we've never tried before that could possibly be our favorite.
That's a little bit too crazy. Let's not do that again.
Yeah, let's not do that again. Hope you guys liked that video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Okay.